Hi everyone, in this video I will show you about the incoming and outgoing call bearing in Samsung Galaxy S24. So if you want to learn how to use the incoming and outgoing call bearing, I will tell you all in this video. I will show you all the steps in this video tutorial, you just have to follow them, and if this video helps you then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now let's watch it.